How to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone. So all you have to do is to go to your TikTok application here, and then here go to profile, and then on the upper right you will see these three dash lines there, and go to settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, you can now directly go to support. Since you can go to support here. You can go to report a problem here. Now you have to choose a topic here. Let's say follow, likes and comments here, and then unable to follow a user here. Tap on that, and then basically you have to follow these steps first. So you need to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Choose any connection that is strong. Let's say your Wi-Fi connection is stronger than your mobile data, then tap on Wi-Fi or your internet. You can go here, is your problem resolved? Since it's not resolved, go for no, and then need more help, and then here report your problem, and basically submit it and wait for the TikTok community to actually fix your problem up until 48 hours. And basically that is how you fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.